I got a package, let's unbox it. Ooh, yes, I have been so excited for this. So, K-Lava Salt Alkaline 4times is a 100% bamboo baked sea salt. They make it using a blend of premium sea salt, bamboo, pine firewood, and clay soil. And unlike ordinary bamboo salt, this one undergoes a lava-like melting process, setting it apart with its exceptional alkalizing and antioxidant effects. So the 9times baked bamboo salt is their premium salt, but because of the high price and the hard manufacturing process, INSANGA started manufacturing 4-time alkaline bamboo salt that has a milder, softer taste and at a lower price. Let's open this up here and then we're gonna dive into all the benefits of the salt. All 55 essential minerals, its unique lava-like melting process, it ensures that essential minerals are readily absorbed by your body, making every grain a powerful nutrient. It also helps reduce inflammation, promote detoxification, increase your metabolism, purify your blood, shield your cells from free radicals, regulate your body's pH levels, and alkalizes your body fluids. I'm gonna try it right now on a cucumber. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little salt. That is delicious. I'm gonna have to start adding that to everything I eat. You can add this to food or drinks, whatever you like. It tastes amazing. This right here is gonna elevate your culinary experience for sure.